going to get the dog? You want to go get the dog? She said she has the dog here. You want to show me something?
Yes.
What?
I have document from my vet, and they're saying the dog's a mixed breed and he's 5 years old. I have a health certificate.
The question is this his dog? Your vet can't tell you how old the dog is. The vet can tell you whether the dog is a puppy, whether it has puppy teeth, but whether it's 3 years old or 5 years old, your dog can't tell you that.
Oh,
What the dog?
that's baby boy. Hey, boy. Hey, baby.